मैंगो फेस्टिवल मैंगो मेला इन कैलिफोर्निया लॉस एंजल्स। अमेरिका में पाकिस्तानी आमों की खरीद में बेहतरीन तरीके से इजाफा हो गया है। पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स और ओपीटीवी ग्लोबल ने दूसरा मैंगो फेस्टिवल करके धूम मचा दी। कई सौ लोग मेरिडियन क्यूब में जमा हो गए। लोग जौक दर जौक, बच्चे बूढ़े जवान अमेरिकन पाकिस्तानी आमों की तलाश में दूर दूर से आए। और अनवर रिटोल, सिंदरी, दशहरी, चौसा आम के मजे लूटे। कौंसल जनरल जनाब आसिम अली खान ने मैंगो मेले का इफ्तिताह किया ढोल की थाप पे। लोगों की कतारें लग गईं अपने वतन की महक और खुशबू लेने के लिए। देखने के लिए दूर दूर से लोग आए और देखते देखते आमों के डब्बे खाली होना शुरू हो गए। लोगों ने खूब खरीदारी की। इस मौके पे शोर रेस्टोरेंट ने मैंगो शरबत और समोसे से भी तवादी की। फातिमा खान, वकार अली खान, मोहसिन अरशद, जुबैर राव, फवाद इस्माइल, सलमान सरवत, सब ने मेहनत की। पीएसीसी की ये कोशिश आमों की मांग में इजाफा करना था, जो वो कामयाब हो गए। आसिम अली खान ने इस कोशिश को बेहस रहा। लोगों ने आमों के इस मेले को इस साल की बेहतरीन तकरीब करार दिया और कहा कि इंशाल्लाह आइंदा भी इस मेले में आते रहेंगे। लोग दर्द कपड़ों, देव तन के मौजूद थे और ढोल की थाप पे रक्स भी करते रहे। वकार अली खान, ओपीटीवी ग्लोबल, लॉस एंजल्स।
Welcome to the Mango Festival. A mango from Pakistan, the country of the pure and delicious mango. Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, I welcome all of you today to our second annual Mango Festival. Mashallah, such a good response. Inshallah, we'll do a bigger one next year. But this is all we could do right now for the time being. So hope you will enjoy. And we will have mango for tasting. We will have drinks sponsored by Shure and Khansab. This event is organized by our dedicated team member of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. And they have put together this hard work, a lot of hard work in putting this together. You know, this kind of event takes up an effort of a team. And alhamdulillah, our team is very, very active in doing events year-round. Our next big event is going to come up on August 3rd. And that's going to be Pakistan Independence Day celebration that you all come to, and hopefully we'll have some mangoes there too, inshallah. So, until the season lasts. So, without any further ado, I'd like to start the program with recitation of Holy Quran by Zubair Rao. So, please, in due respect, we want silence. Thank you.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم. Thank you very much, Mr. Zubair Rao, the co-chair of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, a long-time friend since many years. Is serving the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. I'm the chairman and the founder of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. And I'm very proud today, it's a very historic day that this is our second annual Mango Festival. The purpose of organizing this Mango Festival is culture exchange. We want to do culture exchange between America and the Pakistan. And we are bringing the taste of Pakistan in the American market. Mango from Thailand, mango from Vietnam, mango from Mexico, mango from India, mango from Pakistan. But the Pakistani mango is a totally different taste and different cost and different flavor. You never forget the Pakistani mango flavor today, then you will be taste. And today I'm very proud that Mr. President Fawad Ismail came all the way from Miami. He was on the trade, but he made it. Thank you very much. Fawad Ismail is the regional president of the Wallace Bank. Long-time supporter, always support there. And today we have another very important guest among us, Rahila Thimak. She's going to play a few songs after this event, inshallah. And now, behind the Mango Festival, who is the angel, who is the brainchild, is Fatma Khan. Fatma Khan is the Vice President of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. She is also the Chairman of the Women Business and Social Forum. She is the former biochemist department from Kent State University. She just retired and she loves mango, she loves Pakistan, and she loves America as well. She came in this country in the age of 13. Okay, Fatma, now I would like to invite CG sir.
After the recitation, we had a plan to do national anthem. Obviously, this is a Pakistan Mango event. So, Ashar Bhai, can we do national anthem? Our dear Consul General of Pakistan, Hasim Ali Khan, who has always been supportive to many events, and especially our Chamber of Commerce event, and his lovely wife, Faiza. The kids are missing. Apparently it's too hot for them to come out today. But Alhamdulillah, he's here, so please give him a big round of applause, and he will also come out. Before we invite him, I'd like to invite our president, Fawad Ismail. He went on a cruise with his kids, and we could not change this event, and we were going to miss him, but he surprised me this morning by calling me hey, I'm here. So please welcome him, Mr. Fawad Ismail, He is a force behind our organization and does a lot of hard work. And without his muscles, I cannot do anything because he helped in moving, lifting a lot of stuff and all that. Sometimes he complains my back hurts, but he still does it. So please give him a big round of applause.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Like to welcome you all, especially Mr. Asim Ali Khan, Consul General of Pakistan, and Mrs. Asim Ali Khan. Thank you so much for making time on busy Saturday and attending this event. Thank you so much, and thank you all of you for coming here. Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, since inception, has been involved with the community in different ways, and also been the force behind promoting trade between US and Pakistan. We have been promoting trade in many ways, and since the mango started coming to US, we started this last year, our mango festival, and this is our second year we're doing this mango festival, and as Bhabhi mentioned earlier, inshallah next year we're gonna do a mega grand event for mango festival so that everyone can have more fun, have more enjoyment with the mangoes, Pakistani mango especially. Over here in the US, it's a huge market, and mangoes and other products from other countries do come here. Our goal is to promote Made in Pakistan. Our goal is to promote Pakistani product, and I urge all of you guys to please promote Pakistani product. Try to buy Made in Pakistan. Try to buy Pakistani products. Especially the mango season is here. Try to buy a mango and try to distribute or try to give your neighbors and friends non-Pakistanis so they can taste Pakistani mangoes. As Waqar Bhai said, Pakistani mangoes taste different, the quality is different, the flavor is different. We should promote our product. With this, I would like to thank you all again for coming, and you'll enjoy the rest of the program. We'll have mango tasting, and we'll have some desserts and some mango drinks. Our food today has been provided, sponsored by Shore.
Keep going and enjoy what we are here for. First of all, I want to thank you everybody, whoever is here today and supporting Pakistani product, and enjoy what we are here for the mangoes today. Thank you very much again for being here. Thank you.
Before I invite our chief guests, I'd like to thank all the other organizations, Urdu writers, people from Pakistan Arts Council, many organizations. They're here to support us. So please give them also a big round of applause. Next and last, I'd like to invite our Honorable Council General Asim Ali Khan. He's here in his heat, and you're wearing a suit in this heat. So, but you know, that's his attire because he comes in summer suit, official capacity. When he's here in official capacity, obviously he has to be dressed up appropriately. But he is a force behind many things that happens in LA. You know, LA is like a melting pot, and we have so many events, so many organizations. They're individually working toward a lot of things, a lot of Pakistani events and happening related to Pakistan. And Siti Saab has been very supportive. He just arrived here a year and a half ago, but he has mingled with the community like he's been here 30, 40 years. So before his arrival, the consulate has been very active also in supporting all the causes. You know, we do all this, we do is volunteer. All of us are professionals, businessmen, you know, jobs and all that. But we take out time to do things like that for the community, and hopefully community appreciate that. So please take pictures, feel free to take pictures. Please share them on Facebook with your comments so that others are encouraged also. So please, I request Asim Ali Khan Saab to please come and say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. Kids, hello. Good afternoon. Hello. Good afternoon to everyone. And thank you, Waqar Saab, Fatma Bhabhi, all members and President of Pakistan Chamber of Commerce. This is the second event as Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce has arranged for promoting Pakistani mangoes here in Los Angeles. And response is overwhelming, much better than last year. And I'm very glad to be part of that. First of all, let me thank Chamber of Commerce for promoting Pakistani mangoes in Los Angeles and California. Secondly, I would like to say that for the friends, American friends who are here, little knowledge, the mango is just not an ordinary fruit for us. It's part and parcel of Pakistani culture. It's called king of fruits. As many countries, for example, when you travel to East Asia, Southeast Asia, you'll find pineapple and coconut as the main fruits. They use it in many dishes and many cuisines. So mango is like in Pakistan. And Pakistan produces large quantities of mangoes. Our annual production is around 2 million tons. It's 2 million tons. Since COVID, it suffered a little setback, but it's almost 2 million tons. And domestic demand is very high. It is 90% is consumed domestically, so we don't have enough to export. So we export. Despite that, we are the 4th largest exporter of Pakistani mangoes and rather 5th largest exporter and 4th largest producer worldwide in mango. And you will be surprised to know that Pakistan produces the largest variety of mangoes, almost 100 different varieties of mangoes. But some varieties are so scarce and so precious, we cannot even sell them in domestic markets. So they are only gifted to special friends. And Pakistani mangoes, unfortunately, because of the long distance from Pakistan to the United States and different heat treatment processes like irradiation and hot water treatment, the taste is lost, somewhat lost when it's so. If you want to taste real Pakistani mangoes, I will invite you to Pakistan. And all the kids are not listening. I would urge you to ask your parents to travel to Pakistan to taste real mangoes as part of Pakistani culture. So next time when you have vacations and the weather is good and you have a choice of going to some other country, ask your parents to take you to Pakistan, but you'll have to travel during summer to taste the real mangoes because the season is during May to June. And in Pakistan you'll find mangoes, lot of varieties, tastes, and you'll find mango ice cream also. You will find mango cake, you will find mango pastries, and lot of other delectable confectionery items. So do go to Pakistan, visit Pakistan. Children are not listening, but parents are listening. So parents should take, because kids don't like speeches, so this is for parents. So do take your parents at least once to Pakistan so that they can taste Pakistani mangoes. So I again congratulate Waqar Saab, Zubair Saab, Fawad, and all members of Chamber of Commerce here who have put up this event and who have invited interest of our friends, the community, our American friends in this part of California towards something which is very special for Pakistani cuisine, Pakistani fruit market, Pakistani culture. It's actually something that brings community together. And Chamber of Commerce has done that again, second time in a row since last year. And next time, Waqar Saab, I'll request you that you should also consider hosting this event in the consulate, so that we can invite some other friends and other consulates from other countries and introduce Pakistani mangoes at a bigger scale. And for the businessmen, people who are here, I would urge you to think about importing directly to California from Pakistan, because currently mango is being imported in Houston because of certain regulations, phytosanitary regulations, and there is a heat treatment plant, irradiation plant in some other state. Because of lot of travel back and forth, some taste and flavor and fragrance is lost during this lot of procedures. So if we import directly, but that would require some investment in the radiation plant here. So if there is a plant, we can import mangoes directly and then we can introduce at a larger scale. And our mango, of course, then would outcompete and beat mangoes from other parts of the world, because the real taste and flavor and fragrance you can only smell when they are fresh and when they are imported directly and in a short amount of time from Pakistan. So thank you very much for listening, for coming here. Now enjoy your show. I don't want to bore you with more long speeches, but congratulations for Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce for this event. And I think a lot of mangoes are waiting for you, so don't miss this opportunity, so you will be met.
Thank you very much, Mr. Asim Ali Khan. You always very supportive, very helpful for the community, and I always got these crazy ideas, but behind the ideas there is a will and there is a purpose. Okay, now the last but the best, my friend Irfan Murtuza recite a very good poetry. After that, we'll go eat some samosas, some tea, some juice and mangoes. Irfan Murtuza is a president Urdu Writer Society of North America.
थैंक यू जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैंगो को शायरी करता, किसी ने पूछा आप शायरी क्या बेगम के लिए करते, मैंने कहा बेगम को कौन शायरी। इससे पहले मैं, हमारे घर में एक मैंगो का दरख्त है ना, और बहुत अच्छे मैंगोज लगते हैं, मिलेंगे आप, आ रहे हैं। तो एक साल स्किप करता उसका ट्री, तो एक दफ़ा सिर्फ एक मैंगो आया और वो काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया था। कलाम भाई विजिट के लिए आए, तो हमने उन्हें ले जाके दिखाया बैकयार्ड में, तो चले गए वो। जब बाहर में जाके देखा वो मैंगो गायब। मैंने उन्हें कॉल की, मैं कलाम भाई मैंगो खा के यार बहुत मजे का था। तो मैंगो से रिलेटेड चंद शाद सुना, ये जब से मैंने एक नुमाइश आम की होगी, सुना ये जब से मैंने एक नुमाइश आम की होगी, तो सोचा आम शायद गुठलियों के दाम मिल जाएं, तो सोचा आम शायद गुठलियों के दाम मिल जाएं। और ये इसमें अब बहुत सारी इसमें अक़साम हैं, इसमें उनके नाम मैंने इस्तेमाल किए हैं कि सुना यह है गुलाब और बादशाह भी मुफ्त मिलता है, सुना यह है गुलाब और बादशाह भी मुफ्त मिलता है, कि ऐसा फेस्टिवल है ये यहाँ लंगड़ा भी चलता है, कि ऐसा फेस्टिवल है ये यहाँ लंगड़ा भी चलता है। तुम इस कोने में देखो तो यहाँ सिंदड़ी का ठेला है, और उस कोने में देखो तो जहाँ फजरी का मेला है। किसी ने ये कहा मुझसे कि चौसा तो नहीं होगा, किसी ने ये कहा मुझसे कि चौसा तो नहीं होगा, कहा मैंने कि चौसा होगा और खट्टा नहीं होगा। सभी खुश थे यहाँ पर आम सब बिन मोल के होंगे, सभी खुश थे यहाँ पर आम सब बिन मोल के होंगे, कि इस मेले में चर्चे अनवरी रिटोल के होंगे। महक है हर तरफ फैली दशहरी और रसौली की, महक है हर तरफ फैली है दशहरी और रसौली की, यहाँ पर हर तरफ खुशबू बसी है तोतापुरी की। कहीं कैसर कहीं नीलम कहीं अलमास रखे हैं, सुनहरा नाम है जिनका वो मेरे पास रखे हैं, सुनहरा नाम है जिनका वो मेरे पास रखे हैं। ये मुमकिन है यहाँ मिल जाए शायद रामपुरी भी। वकार खान खुश हो गए, साजिद भाई खुश हो गए। ये मुमकिन है यहाँ मिल जाए शायद रामपुरी भी, सफ़ेदा या के संगलाखी शायद हो बादामी भी। अगरचे ख़ास है ये फल यहाँ पर आम मिलता है, अगरचे ख़ास है ये फल यहाँ पर आम मिलता है। फलों का बादशाह है और यहाँ बेदाम मिलता है। और ये रॉयल मैंगो की तरफ से है प्रोग्राम। तो ये सोना राबता है अपने पाकिस्तान का हमसे, ये सोना राबता है अपने पाकिस्तान का हमसे, लगा है आम का मेला जो रॉयल मैंगो के दम से। बहुत शुक्रिया। बस ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बहुत आप लोग यहाँ तशरीफ़ फरमाएँ, और ये इट्स अ वेरी बिग सपोर्ट फॉर पाकिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान प्रोडक्ट्स। वी गॉट मोर बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट। सो बहुत शुक्रिया, वकार मुबारक।
Thank you very much. Okay, I would like to invite all the chamber board member here quickly.
On the stage piece, Zubair Rao, Nasir Rao, Fatima Habi is here, Salman Ahmed, we have Chaudhry Maqsood Saab, he's our board of director. I'm the president, Fawad Ismail, we have chairman Waqar Ali Khan, our treasurer Mohsin Arshad is here, Fatima Khan is vice president, Nasir Rao is our board of director, Salman Ahmed is board of director, and Zubair Rao is the vice chairman. Shri Fatima Bhabi, she's our driving force behind everything. So, thank you everyone. Thank you.
Trying to find a suit closer. MashaAllah, overwhelming response. Inshallah, next year we will do an open air mango festival, and taking a benefit of this crowd on 3rd August, we are doing the great Pakistan Independence Day whatever you experience in the history of America. Besides that, we are launching the Pakistan Day Parade with many floats. So we need your support. Please join the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce for organizing this Pakistan Independence Day. Now I would like to invite Raida Simab to sing some national song. Please.
मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है, तू तो मेरी शान है, तू मेरा ईमान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है, तू तो मेरी जान है।
तालियां उनके साथ साथ मिल के हैं पाकिस्तान के लिए।
कहती है ये राह अमल, आओ मिलकर साथ चले। कहती है ये राह अमल, आओ मिलकर साथ चले। मुश्किल हो या आसानी, हाथ में डाले हाथ चले। मुश्किल हो या आसानी, हाथ में डाले हाथ चले। धड़कन है पंजाब अगर, धड़कन है पंजाब अगर, दिल अपना मैदान है। पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है। पाकिस्तान ज़मीं भी है, पाकिस्तान नज़रिया भी, पाकिस्तान ज़मीं भी है। रंग बिरंगी दुनिया में, इस रंग बिरंगी दुनिया में इसकी ये पहचान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है, तू तो मेरी शान है, तू मेरा ईमान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है, तू तो मेरी शान है, तू मेरा ईमान है। पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। थैंक यू सर।
अशरफ भाई के लिए तालियां।
Harbor Fusion is a company run by clinicians. When we are looking at a patient, we are looking at the patient's medical needs first. Patient is in the comfort of his or her home. They're watching the TV, they're doing their chores while the infusion is going on. And patient's copay deductible will be much lower if done at home than in the hospital setting. Home infusion, all in all, is a winning place for getting infusions done.
It is a heartening fact that you may obtain the best return on investment from your knowledge. You can progress by taking one step at a time every day and getting the greatest outcomes. American Education for Foreign Students provides online certification programs to assist you build your job skills in the United States. AMEDFS offers students hundreds of certificates courses worldwide. There are no limits to learning, and with AMEDFS, you can begin your journey of studies by enrolling in these courses at your own pace, no matter where you are in the world. Our certificate programs are cost-effective and can help you improve your skills and knowledge. The best part is that you can learn these courses in your desired duration. We offer countless courses in various disciplines. Many courses are available, including business, information technology, programming, and project management. Our mission is to make high-quality education accessible globally. For more information, visit our website www.amedfs.com or call us on 1909-5762-982.
OTTV is now available on Roku. Please tune in to Roku.